Alright, all fueled up and ready to go drop off some toys to some kids that don't get any for Christmas. So we're going on a toy run. Check it out. G'day, g'day. What is going on? This looks a little bit different. This little teddy's coming on a ride with me today. We're going on a toy run. This is a charity event out in Townsville every year where people in cars, bikes, and even trucks, it's like a Christmas appeal sort of thing, you know. So I'm running a little bit late because we had a party last night and the beers tasted pretty good, so I'm a little bit slow off the mark today, but oh well, I'll catch them. So we're going to meet up, unload all the toys off all the bikes into a big Western Star Prime mover that's painted up like Optimus Prime. You're going to love this shit, guys. We'll fast forward and I'll give you a walk around. See you there.
Later.
So do you guys have toy runs like this wherever you're watching? I think this should be everywhere, you know, doing something for the less fortunate. And you're not giving them money, man. Like, kids don't want money, kids want toys for Christmas, they want shit to play with. So yeah, I don't mind spending, you know, 50, 60 bucks, go for a ride on a Sunday, drop them off, make a little video, have a couple of beers on the way home. Sounds like a pretty good day out. Alright, here we go. Glad my bike's not the only one with tinsel on it. Nah, mate. Yep. No worries. G'day. Good. How are you? Yeah, it is a bit. Not a bad turnout. Some more coming down now. How good does that sound? Rum, 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 rum. There's even a bloke's advice shirt over there. Man, he has put some effort into that. There's a lot of tinsel. Very cool. Man, this would look so cool if you were driving the other way, going past a motorbike towing a Sena sleigh, then Optimus Prime, and then, oh man, I don't know, 250, 300 bucks. That would be a kick-ass sight. The weather is just amazing. It's a little bit hazy over there from a bushfire, but blue skies. It's about 30 something degrees. I'll check that later and put on the screen. I'm tipping probably 35 or something like that. Nice and hot. You gotta earn your beer. Intercom failed. Try again later. God damn it, Sena. However you say it. How do you say it? Sena or Sena? I've had this argument with the boys before. Apparently it's Sena. But if you spell it out, how do you say E? Eh? No. E. Sena. Sena. Anyway. Rocking the Dixon again today. I love these shirts, man. They're thin enough to wear in Australia. And I just love the fact they look brand new even when you pull them out of the saddlebag. Not used to being overtaken. Man, have a look at that mirror. That is a big long line of bikes. As far as the eye can see. Hope you can see that in the mirror. Move around a little bit just in case. It looks like the view in front of me, but times 5. You can't actually see the end of it. That's awesome. Next year I'm going to get the sissy bar on. I'm going to get a taller sissy bar, and I'm going to get like a monkey or a big teddy with long arms, and I'm going to zip tie his arms to the top of the sissy bar so he's hanging on. When we're doing this highway run, he'll be flapping with his legs out, sort of like the pig on my Skidpig logo. Oh, I should get a stuffed pig. That's it, that's what I'm doing. Thanks for your help, guys. A stuffed pig strapped to the sissy bar, a toy run next year. Watch this space. It's happening. At least I got to stop in the shade. Temporarily. We had a casualty, someone lost a bow. Lucky there's another 354 million. The show must go on. Now we pull up in here in the Woolies car park. Everyone gets a free sausage sizzle and a drink of water. talk shit for 45 minutes and get going. This might be where I bail after this, because I've got shit to do this afternoon and I'm pretty close to the Bowley Barn pub, so you never know what's going to happen. I might end up in there for a couple of quick skewies. That is a whole lot of fuck yeah.
One hour later.
Here we go. I'm going to pull over here and get some footage of them all going past. Oh, it's not in the middle. Oh, there's a heap more up there. There we go, I think that's the rest of them. Another year, another awesome event. Thanks to everyone who come out. Thanks to you guys for watching. I hope you have something similar like that where you're from, that you know, you can get after and get behind and support. I think it's a great idea. Any charity that gives to kids, I'm all about it. But I'm off to have a cold beer because it's a hot day and that's what you do. So if you like that video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you later, right? See ya!